In every corner of the universe, there exists an invisible substance. I call it void matter. Void matter is something so small, it cannot be divided any further. It exists beyond the scale of any known particle. So small that no experiment could ever detect it directly. And yet, it is everywhere. It fills the air, the vastness between stars, and even the gaps within atoms themselves. Void matter, the ocean through which light itself travels. Light does not move through emptiness, but ripples through this invisible medium. Where there is no void matter, light cannot move. For void matter is the very fabric of space. Without it, space itself ceases to exist. It is void matter that gives light its path, its speed, and its meaning. It allows us to witness the very shape of the universe. Void matter takes no part in chemical reactions. It does not burn, combine, or decay. Yet, it bends to one force mass. Where mass exists, void matter gathers unevenly. This subtle imbalance gives birth to gravity. Gravity, then, is not the curvature of space, but the gentle flow of void matter drawn toward mass. The greater the mass, the denser the void matter, and the greater the pull between all things. Thus, the universe holds itself together, bound by the invisible sea of void matter. But the cosmos is not filled with it everywhere. In certain extreme regions, void matter ends abruptly. I call those places beyond space, or the fractures of space. There no void matter exists, no gravity, no energy, no time. All known physical laws collapse beyond that boundary. Light cannot pass through it, for there is no medium to carry its wave. And without flow to measure, time itself becomes meaningless. That realm is complete stillness, absolute nothingness. Yet, void matter too has its ultimate form. When mass becomes infinite, void matter is crushed to its densest state, almost solid. This is the black hole. Inside a black hole, void matter reaches such density that even light cannot escape. Once light enters, it is absorbed, trapped within the solid void matter itself. No reflection, no transmission, only silence. At the edge of a black hole, void matter remains fluid, but slow and heavy. There, the density gradient bends light, just as refraction bends light in water or glass. The event horizon, the place where light circles endlessly, is born from this shifting sea of void matter. Void matter is the unseen background of all existence. It is the ocean of light, the source of gravity, the foundation of space and time. And beyond it, in the true void, all things return to silence, even existence itself fades away. This universe, cold yet magnificent, empty yet profound. Within its invisible currents of void matter, we are but fleeting ripples of light and time. These are my thoughts about the unknown universe. What about you? What do you think lies beyond the edge of space?